What's your name?
My name is Mary.
How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Okay, nice to meet you, Mary. What is this?
It's a horse.
What does the horse say?
A horse say neigh neigh.
What is this?
It's a donkey.
What does the donkey say?
A donkey say hi.
Do you like donkeys?
Yes, I do.
What is this?
It's an ant.
What animal is this?
It's a duck.
What does the duck say?
A duck say quack quack.
What is the color of the duck?
It's yellow and brown.
Good job. What animal is this?
It's bird.
What does a bird say?
A bird say tweet tweet.
Good job. What is this?
It's a turkey.
What does a turkey say?
A turkey say gobble gobble.
Very good. What is this?
It's a goat.
What does a goat say?
A goat say meh meh.
What is this?
It's a hen.
Do you like hens?
Yes, I do.
What does a hen say?
A hen say clap clap.
What is this?
It's a dog.
What does a dog say?
A dog say woof woof.
Good job. What is this?
It's a bird.
What animal is this?
It's a cow.
Do you like cows?
Yes, I do.
What does a cow say?
A cow say moo moo.
What is this?
It's a rooster.
What does a rooster say?
A rooster say cock-a-doodle-doo.
What is this?
It's a pig.
What does a pig say?
A pig say oi oi.
What is the color of the pig?
It's pink.
What is this?
It's a rabbit.
What does a rabbit say?
A rabbit say tam tappity tam.
Good job. What animal is this?
It's a cat.
What does a cat say?
A cat say meow meow.
What is the color of the cat?
It's orange and
Good
brown.
job. What is this?
It's a sheep.
What does a sheep say?
A sheep say bye bye.
Good job. High five. Goodbye.